Stopping foreclosure early on is the key to keeping your Bellingham, WA home. Stopping foreclosure early is important in Whatcom County, as the homeowner is already under duress and it potentially allows them to stay in their home along with avoiding the loss of any equity they may have accumulated in the property. Before doing anything, it is very important the homeowner first carefully evaluates their situation to see if stopping foreclosure is viable for them. When and if one decides that stopping foreclosure on their Whatcom County home is the route they want to take, then they have to good and ready to take immediate action. Studies have shown that sadly enough more than half of homeowners in Bellingham, WA facing foreclosure never called for help once they realized the hole they were in were too deep to get out of without help. Foreclosure is when the bank or mortgage lender repossesses a home and sells it because the homeowner failed to pay their mortgage as agreed. Foreclosures in Bellingham, WA and Whatcom County are currently at an all-time high and are predicted to get even worse as variable rate mortgages written several years ago are approaching their reset dates. Foreclosure is not something one should ignore. It can be beaten, but they must act quickly because time is not on their side. As difficult as it may seem, the homeowner has to think about their options and be honest with themselves about their financial situation. Stopping a foreclosure proceeding early is really very simple if the homeowner educates themselves on the process. Foreclosure levels the playing field and has happened to people suddenly and without warning, no matter their income level, education, or their social background. Stopping home foreclosure in Whatcom County is not a simple process and time is of the essence. Stopping foreclosure in Bellingham, WA is not as difficult or as scary as some people think. Stopping home foreclosure is a process, and it cannot be done in a short time frame. Stopping foreclosure is going to involve dealing with finance companies that are experts in this field. If you have decided that stopping foreclosure is your option of choice, you should immediately contact the lender and begin the process. Remember, the key to stopping foreclosure in Bellingham, WA is to get started as soon as possible. In summary, the bottom line for stopping foreclosure anywhere in Washington state is to know your rights and options. Contact your lender and never ignore the lender's letters and phone calls. And most importantly, take action immediately.